and welcome back to Who Wants to Be a Crypto Millionaire? Today we're here with Matt. Hello, clearly Regis Philbin. Hi, everybody. I'm Matt. All right, Matt, you're up to the $1 million question. Do you want to take your $500,000 or do you want to play for $1 million? Gee whiz, Regis. I mean, $500K is a lot of money, but, I'm here and I think I'm going to go for it. He's going to play. So, Matt, what do you like to do for fun? What are you doing? I'm going to play the game here. No one cares what I like to do. I like mowing my grass. How about that? That's great. All right, Matt, here is your question for $1 million. If you had a time machine, which event would you go back in time to correct to make the future of cryptocurrency more better? Is it A, stop the Mt. Gox hack? B, stop Ripple from being invented? C, prevent Bitmain from basically owning the Bitcoin network? Or D, tell the leader of Germany in 1942 to delay Operation Barbarossa by about 8 months, focusing instead on securing the oil fields in the Eastern Caucasus, then prevent the order to halt the incursion into Dunkirk, thereby devastating the British Expeditionary Force? What? Well, Matt, let me remind you, you still have all 3 of your lifelines. Phone a friend, poll the audience, or 50-50. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna phone a friend. He wants to phone a friend. All right, Matt, which friend are you gonna call? I'm gonna call my friend, Hawk Crypto Mining. He wants to call his friend Hawk. Our good friends at AT&T are gonna get Mr. Hawk on the line. Hey Hawk, it's me, Matt, TheTechnicals from YouTube, that we like spat back and forth, kinda.
Technicals, what's up, man? How you doing, buddy? I got an extra tight shirt for you today.
I'm on Crypto Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Oh my God, I only have 20 seconds left. Anyway, I've got this question. If you had a time machine, what would you go back and change to make crypto more better? Is it A, stop Mt. Gox, B, stop Ripple, C, stop Bitmain, or D, tell the leader of Germany in 1942 to delay Operation Barbarossa by about 8 months, focusing instead on securing the field in the Eastern Caucasus, then prevent the order to halt the incursion into Dunkirk, thereby devastating the British Expeditionary Force?
Dude, I am like sweating.
Oh my God, Hawk, what is it, A, B, C, or D?
I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
Dude, please.
I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
Oh, not much help there, huh? You still have 2 lifelines, Matt. Yeah, I gotta use another lifeline. I want to poll the audience. He's gonna poll the audience. Everybody in our studio audience, pick up that gadget at the front of your seat and cast your vote now. Seems like the audience is pretty confident in the answer. Yeah, what does that say that 6 million people voted? Matt, are you questioning the number of people in our studio audience? Regis, I'm in this arena and there's no way that there's 6 million people in here. It's 6 million, Matt. I mean, if you just take that 6 million number and divide it by the amount of time it would take people to get in here, and then you just break that down per day, the logistical nightmare of moving that many people, it just doesn't parse. The number starts with a 6. What does it matter? Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the last lifeline, the 50-50. Probably would have been a better idea to use that one first. All right, let's take away 2 of those answers. What the fuck, dude? Well, Matt, I thought you'd know this by now, but this is Crypto Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. So if you need half of something, you get double of it. If you want double, you get half. The things just work opposite. That's right. Well, oh, there they go. That's cryptocurrency for you. Now you're back down to 4 answers. All right, so gaming this out. Mt. Gox leaves a lot of unaccounted Bitcoin. Government's got a lot of it. It could destabilize the price, and we don't know who's using it and for what ends. The Ripple thing. And then Bitmain basically having control of the entire network, allowing them to just monopolize it. And as we all know, companies that operate in that place, are probably under the thumb of the government of that place. So I'm not, what's your answer gonna be, Matt? I'm just trying to think what would do the greatest good to the most number of people. And I think I'm gonna go B. Is that your final answer? Yeah, B, stop Ripple, final answer. It's his final answer. Lock it in. What? How? Oh, that's a heartbreaker, Matt. The answer was D, because if you would have gone back and done all that, cryptocurrency would have never been invented in the first place, and we wouldn't have to deal with any of this ridiculous bullshit. Shouldn't have bought all those Nvidia shorts. Better luck next time, Matt. Be sure to tune in next week for more Crypto Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.